hi guys. So this is a car. So mommy tried this. So we're gonna take this pumpkin out. So there's seeds in it. Yeah. It's seeds. What's seeds in it? Yeah.
Wait.
Seeds. We got the seeds. We got pumpkins out. No.
All right, roll your sleeves up, guys, and start digging in there and getting it out.
Oh my goodness. How we put this out?
Just put it in the bowl.
Put it in the bowl.
All right, dig the seeds out. Dig them out.
Take this.
Clean it out so I can carve it for you.
Ew. Yuck. Yucky. Look at the seeds. Look at the seeds, man.
Put them in the bowl. Yeah, if it goes on the floor, don't put it in the bowl. Put it in the trash.
Oh. You're making a light?
Yeah, the jack-o'-lantern.
Baby Dadu. Come on, let me help you. Oh my God. I don't like it. I don't like it. Whoa. Ow.
Oh, it's cool.
That's a lot of seeds. The seeds. How much seeds is it?
There's a lot, man. There's a lot of seeds. Look at all of them. It's the pumpkin of the seeds.
Are we supposed to remove every seed in there?
Seeds.
How will you preserve that then?
I don't know.
I do it.
Yum, 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 yum.
I
Cook some pumpkin seeds and give them to your teacher.
I don't know if they plan.
Yum, yum, yum.
I think last time. Where
are we gonna carve it into, guys?
A pumpkin cookie.
It only lasted like a week and a half.
Done.
Yum, yum.
You know, before it starts
Dad.
getting
Ew,
like.
ew. Look. Look at this.
Get this area.
What's recording? Look at this
Recording.
painting.
Oh, you want? Okay.
That's her. See? Look at her. She puts water in there. And see? Look. She's making a sound. And she just spit. She put it right there. Look. See? Look at it. Cool. What? Pretty. It's so scary. Put thumbs up. Hey. Oh. Alright, so she has a cone, so she's gonna make a pumpkin. Look at that huge I don't know what her doing with the Yeah, but we got the seeds out. We did. What's her doing? So, yeah, so say hi to my dad.
Hi.
And that's my sister, and that's my mom. I just saw us making the pink pumpkin. And look at, this is my mom. Say hi, Mom. Hi. So,
Carving it.
boom. Look at it. It's so scary. Pretty. Too scary. They have the owl. They have the pumpkin. And they have the cat. And the scary monster pumpkin. They have the witch. They
All
have
right, guys,
the
let's
bat.
save the battery so they can see the end result, okay?
And the
All right, Jacoby.
today.
Everything's breaking down. Creature sneaking through everyone's trying to evacuate. The alarms.
There we go. Let's take her outside, okay?
Alright, I get that, guys.
2.